EAS PAT. We're in Fishtown. I haven't done a video in a while, and we are going to be doing sod here. That old fence is leaving, and this tree is going to be trimmed. Not a big deal. It'll look really nice in the end. Look at that. I'm going to head out here and talk to these guys. You guys okay being on a video, a YouTube video?
Sure.
This is a gentleman neighbor here, and this is the owner.
Wait, let me give you like best Friday neighbor. Yeah, they're okay.
Mid-process. We have a blank canvas, so we took out all of our nonsense. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. This tree, lilac's gonna get cut a little bit. All these weeds are gonna come out, and it's gonna be beautiful green grass everywhere. That'll look really nice. Kind of fill in a couple there. That'll look really nice. Quick fix. Sod man.
That guy.
All right, look at this. We did it. Looks like a suburban backyard. Beautiful sod from Tuckahoe Turf Farm in Hamilton, New Jersey. Just clean that up for her. Trim back this lilac bush. Looks a lot better. Now she's got her grass. This will grow, and then she can decide what she wants to do in here. We may gussy these up a little bit. CAS in Fishtown. It's a hot day. Take care, everybody. I'm out of here.